And by 8 o'clock in the evening, I know you are already there kasi nakataranta na si Mama at nagdadasal na kasi umisigaw na kayo sa labas ng gate at gusto nilang pumasok. Tapos sige, apat sila magpaparkada and actually ang tawag sa kanila kung batsero. Si Tito Eddie, si Papa, Tito Lito, but sa kanilang tatlo, I can say na si Mami Sandy very approachable and si Mami Lito kasi kaya matapang eh. Pag hindi siya pension naman, hindi mo makiro. So si Mami Sandy likable. And kahit matagal mo na siya hindi nakikita, even with the first approach and converse with you. Nagmamalaki ko sa mga anak ko. Kasi sabi, like what Ray said, they were the first batch or the pioneers, OFWs in Saudi Arabia. And they were there when I think Saudi Arabia was still building, no? Yung pinapit pa nila yung kanilang city. So, yun, lagi ko sinasabi sa mga